if you want to take high-resolution photos on a Redmi Note 15 Pro or 15 Pro Plus, what you can do is in the camera, we can, for example, of course, choose the Ultra HD option because it provides the highest resolution possible. With a 200 megapixel camera, we can take a photo with really big resolution. But also what you can do instead is you can use the Pro mode if you care about some other adjustments as well. In the Pro mode here in the upper right corner, we can switch from 12.5 megapixels to 200 megapixels, which should significantly increase the resolution of your photos. Also, if we go to the aspect ratio in here, it is actually recommended to use the 3:4 aspect ratio. Now, I'm not sure if we switch the aspect ratio, if it's gonna stay at 200 megapixels. No, it actually changes. So yeah, even if you switch to 200, it switches immediately to 3:4 aspect ratio, which is, like I said, something that is recommended because it provides the highest quality and the highest resolution possible. And in comparing the Pro mode to the Ultra HD mode, in this case we also have additional parameters that can be quite helpful with taking a photo as well, as long as you know what these parameters do. Most of the time you can also just leave it as automatic and it should be fine as well. We also have like contrast, saturation, and sharpness settings and so on and so forth. So it's worth checking out as well, and some other stuff in here like automatic exposure settings, for example. And if needed, you can also capture photos using the RAW format. But I guess, okay, so never mind. We cannot really capture RAW pictures with 200 megapixels, my bad. But yeah, this is what we can do. Subscribe to my channel.